Alright guys, I didn't even hear when the persons came. I just knew that they were supposed to reach today. So I was like, let me look. I was just passing around, I was like, let me look. Welcome on YouTube, and I'm back with another video. So I'm back with a quick one. So as you guys see, I got a package today and I decided I'm just going to quickly unbox it for you guys. I hope the lighting's fine. It's late in the night. Well, late-ish in the night. And I just wanted to unbox what I got. So I opened the bigger box. Each item came in their individual boxes. I got a ring light, which I definitely wanted to upgrade our ring light that we have, because I'm definitely getting more into content for my Instagram, growing at the Week Factor, and of course for YouTube as well, because as you upgrade with time, you need to upgrade the equipment as well, like it's needed. This is, I'm just gonna unbox them, like, yeah, there I tell you what it is, and I don't want to see what's inside the box then. Yes guys, I'm so sorry with the lighting. Like, as you guys know, I don't have my things, but no, I'll have at least one of my things. So oh, nice. I need to get some of these things because I am trying to pack something to send back home, and I need them to be safe and secured. Ooh. Ooh, nice. You know, over save this, I'm putting this right back into this. I'm not like customs doing. Oh Jesus Christ. I'm saving it though, I think about it. Yes, clean and nice. Whoop. Jesus, I saw my head big. Wow. Oh god, I thought this was going to be a little bit bigger. This is just this 12. I need to have a talk with this company. Why this looks so markup? Amazon, me not with you know, because I love send things that people send back, you know. But I not with you, so let me look. Alright. Nice thick tripod. This almost remind me, almost, you know, as good. Remind me of one of them come use some more weeks. Yeah man, this not bad at, ay, wait, it's not bad at salt, it's not bad at salt, it's not bad at salt, yes. And also, this should be, I guess, like the remote and the cord, which was right. The remote, I think this is supposed to be like the charger cord, and this is the phone holder attachment. I am going to set it up probably towards the end of the video, or I'll probably set it up for my Instagram, and then I'll include that clip as well. Now bust open this, bust it down. As I said, these are some business essential for me mostly. Boy, yes Jesus, we'll never guess what in this box. My canvas head block. Why this look so, that color you look dingy bad though. Bed, not a bed head this. Boy, wig making I got sort up even more. Alright, so my average 22 head size. Yeah man, nice. It's not bad. The color looks a little bit dingy than the other one that I normally buy, but it's workable. It's okay, honestly. They're going to get dirty, which I really don't want to, but it's the reality of my business. And it came with a lot of goodies. That's even one of the perks, because I need more, and I would love to make, you know, a week for myself before I go back home. So these things come in handy to use. These are, I can just set this up anywhere, like clamp it down onto any table or any flat surface that can manage it. Rotted. Now I'll get ear thread. Them know it. And this is like machine thread, which is perfect because I make my on a machine now. A few clips. Them clip, what them clip look so special breed clips, man. Yeah, I think I'm gonna switch position. I only have one more item though. Let's see if I can edit and fix the lighting. I think this is just a regular stocking cap, black, and it comes with some T-pin and some hair needle, which I would need because I never walk with them things there. If I get to make a wig, yay, perfect. This is perfect. Shopping on a budget, everything in one. That is lovely. And the last item, a little bit closer for y'all, is this. It is a flexible index lamp, and I need this for wig making, even when it is bright in the day, to go and see that little section where the needle goes into the hole. Yes, I need them. I need my light. Never know I needed that desk lamp in my life until I got a free one when I signed up for I don't remember what was the company. It's like a job something, and I got signed up in Megamart. Either way, it's one of the best things that ever happened to me. When I best free thing I get, and now it's free and not meant for last, so I got this one. Gotta try these out. So guys, I think I'm gonna finish the unboxing for my Instagram, and I'm gonna insert the clips them at the end of each of them. Just fast forward. But thank you so much for watching. Please ensure you stay till the end for those clips so you can see how everything works well. And yeah, I'm so sorry about this light glaring. It's the night. I don't have my things in. I'm just getting some of the things them that I could use till I get back home. So I'm just catching up the phone somewhere to make it work. Okay guys, bye. Okay, so this is well in the future me, but basically this is the ring light. I love it. As you can see, I'm kind of set up with it right now. I realized I didn't get to actually video it and show you guys when I did the initial unboxing, but it is so bright. Like, watch your eyes. Damn, it is so bright, and it can be adjusted with the different color, and of course it can be adjusted with the brightness. So this is a little bit more for the camera, and of course it can be turned up, but it's great. And in accordance to the ring light, it was trash. I returned the ring light and I bought a new one, which you guys will see in the next vlog. Yeah, you guys gonna see it by then. But I love it, and it can be straightened, it can be bent right up. It's really worth the money, and it was really affordable. I don't think I paid $12 for it, or I'm not sure, but yeah, it's very convenient for what I need to do. Alright guys, so I think that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more. As I said, in the next vlog, y'all see the ring light, the new one that I got, cause the one that I bought, it really seemed like somebody had resent it and they just packaged it up and sent it back because it was scrapey, janky. It was nothing that I expected, and it was not cheap, so I returned it. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching again. Bye. It gets really tall. Damn, this is perfect. I'm